Hi there, it's David Saddlemeyer from Century 21, the Realty Group. And this captivating renovation is located at 795 West New Hampshire Avenue in Southern Pines, North Carolina. And we're just minutes from downtown Southern Pines and US Highway 1. And for more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. It's number 4. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And feel free to change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. Brick veneer has been freshly painted. A very attractive curb appeal here. Driveway there, fresh landscaping. Brand new roof with architectural shingles. Decorative front door. Gutters. And let's step inside. I'm excited to show you the inside. Some very cool features here in this remodel. Starting with the fireplace and mantle there. Freshly painted, blinds and vans, brand new LVP flooring. Here's a closer look at the fireplace and mantle. This really pops. And this is our living room, which leads to the dining area and the kitchen. And a custom accent wall here. This really catches your eye. And more unique features including this fixture here. All brand new kitchen. And this is beautiful with two tones on the cabinets, gray and white, marble countertops, subway tile backsplash, lots of lighting, stainless steel appliances, LVP flooring. And here's a closer look. Very attractive. Here's the view from the kitchen. Looking back on the way we came in. And I love how there's so much extra lighting. As you can see. Laundry area with a coat closet. And some cabinets. I'll show you the backyard. Have some good privacy here. There's the driveway again. First bedroom. Linen closet. Second bedroom. All brand new bathroom. Very attractive. And here's the tub. Another coat closet and the third bedroom. Thanks so much for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.